Good evening, everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Mayo Clinic partners with Cerebras Systems for AI in healthcare, Sony unveils mixed reality headset for developers, Apple's Vision Pro mixed reality headset availability and features, OpenAI response to the New York Times lawsuit, popular interest in Lakshadweep after Modi's visit and diplomatic tensions, Intel announces 14th Gen Intel Core HX gaming laptop processors, closure of Kim Kardashian's mobile game and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Mayo Clinic, a non-profit medical center, has entered a partnership with Silicon Valley startup Cerebras Systems to develop artificial intelligence AI models for the healthcare industry. Mayo Clinic will leverage Cerebras computing chips and systems to tap into decades of anonymized medical records and data for developing AI models. The AI models developed through this collaboration will have applications such as summarizing lengthy medical records for new patients, analyzing images for subtle patterns, and processing genome data. The outcomes of Mayo Clinic's work with Cerebras will be made available on the Mayo Clinic platform, a data network used by healthcare systems in the US, Canada, Brazil, and Israel. Cerebras CEO Andrew Feldman mentioned that the partnership involves a multi-million-dollar agreement over several years covering both hardware and software development services. Next we have Sony has revealed a new mixed reality headset at CES 2024 developed in collaboration with Siemens. The headset is designed specifically for developers working on 3D production software. The headset features an XR head-mounted display with 4K OLED micro displays, see-through functionality, and controllers for interacting with 3D objects. It is targeted at developers in the 3D production software space. Sony's proprietary rendering technology enables real-time high-definition and realistic rendering of textures and facial expressions of human characters. The system is powered by the Snapdragon XR2 Plus Gen 2 SoC and is expected to be released later in 2024. Apple has announced that the Vision Pro mixed reality headset will be available in the US starting 2 February. The headset will support over 150 3D titles with the Apple TV app, movies, and TV shows from services like Disney Plus and will feature a pixel count higher than 4K resolution for each eye. Apple introduces a new video format called Immersive Video for watching videos in a 180-degree setup and capturing 3D 8K recordings with spatial audio. Support for over 250 games on Apple Arcade, including a new category of games called Spatial Games, is also included. OpenAI responds to the New York Times lawsuit which alleges copyright infringement for using its reporting to train the ChatGPT large language model. OpenAI disagrees with the claim and expresses concern about the potential impact on high-quality journalism, emphasizing the importance of constructive partnerships. The lawsuit alleges that the New York Times manipulated text prompt to get the model to regurgitate, which OpenAI state is not a permissible user activity and not a substitute for the publication. OpenAI highlights its partnership with news organizations including Associated Press and NYU and aims to support a healthy news ecosystem. Lakshadweep, an island state in India, has become a popular search topic on Google, reaching a 20-year high in search result. The surge in searches indicates increased interest in visiting Lakshadweep, potentially due to Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit and recent diplomatic tensions with the Maldives. The popularity of Lakshadweep has led to a shift in travel preferences, with more people considering it as an alternative to the Maldives for spending money on travel. The increased popularity has sparked discussions about potential partnerships and the development of new technologies and products in the region. Next up we have Intel officially announces its 14th Gen Intel Core HX gaming laptop processors known as Raptor Lake Refresh with up to 24 CPU cores focusing on performance. The new HX lineup lacks a neural processing unit NPU and is primarily geared towards delivering high gaming performance. The processors will soon be available in select market, featured in gaming laptops from major brands like Alienware, Acer, Asus and Razer. At last, Hollywood is set to shut down on 8 April. The free role-playing game involved tasks like acting, modeling, and club appearances. Players could earn fans money and experience by completing tasks, and in-game currency called K-Stars could be purchased through ads or clothing purchases. The game, developed by Glu Mobile, was acquired by Electronic Arts in 2021. The developer have stopped new installs but allow existing players to continue playing until the shutdown date. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news. हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना। फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।